Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls by Elena Favilli and Francesca Cavallo. Marie Curie, a scientist, born in November 7, 1867 and died in July 4, 1934. Poland. Once in Poland, there was a secret school. People called it the Floating University. The government at that time was very strict about what people could and couldn't study. Girls were not allowed to go to college at all. Mary and her sister were students at this secret school, but they were tired of hiding. One day they heard that in Paris there was a university called Sorbonne which accepted girls. So they decided to move to France. Mary was fascinated by the metals and magnets. She found out that some minerals were radioactive. They gave off powerful rays and glowed in the dark. To analyze these minerals' properties, Mary would set them on fire and melt them, filter them, and stay up all night to watch them glow. Radiation is used to treat many diseases, but it is also very dangerous. Just imagine that. After all these years, Mary's notebooks and instruments are still radioactive. If you want to look at them, you have to wear protective clothing and gloves. Mary's husband, Pierre, was so intrigued by her research, he decided to drop his work on crystals and join her. Together, they discovered two new radioactive elements, polonium and radium. Marie Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes for her work, and she could have made a lot of money from her discoveries. She chose instead to make research available for anyone free. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Marie Curie.